Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. So in this video I want to show you some key technical and support levels to keep an eye on tomorrow and going forward. And also tomorrow, Friday, we've got the non-farm payroll number, which comes out at 8:30 Eastern. It can be a really kind of what I call a catalyst event. So let's go through some key technical areas here. So we've got first off S&P 500, the SPY. So today it broke through this 618 retracement coming in at 260 and broke that 200-day moving average. Okay, so it broke down, came down to this area here, kind of stopped, and then closed back above it. So this is key area here. So roughly 260, 261, basically 261 in here. If we start into the close tomorrow at some point, or even after the non-farm payroll, start getting an acceleration and a push below this number, this could lead to a bigger move to the downside. Now you can see on the weekly time frame, the S&P came down. This is to support kind of where it stopped right here today. This is the 50 simple moving average right here about 258. So we got down to this low on the weekly 258, and that also helped give it some support for this little snapback that we had. Now with the QQQ, you want to keep a close eye here on this 160. This is last week's closing price. So if we get a close here somewhere, in this range tomorrow going into the close below 160, that could be very negative. So this is a key level here. So this is a 21 period moving average at 161 to 160, so key level for the QQQ or the NASDAQ 100 on that weekly. So here's the diamond or the Dow. So here's key levels here coming in right about 235. This area between 233, 235 is kind of a key support level. This is a 50 simple moving average on the weekly, and you can see here's the prior week's low. So if we start getting separation under that prior week's low on the Dow, this could also create some more momentum to the downside. So key number here, 235 on the diamond. So also XLI is the industrial ETF, so sector. So this has been under a lot of pressure, but it came down here to this major support. You can see all the price action here. So this 70 needs to hold here. So it could be, this is kind of a point to watch for the XLI industrials. If this fails, then that also will extend some momentum to the downside, but this could be the area where it tries to hold in and consolidate. So a pretty good little area of support here, and then it needs to get back above, start pushing back above that 618 at 72. So that's the industrial sector. And one more to watch closely is the XLF, which is the financial sector. You can see it's had a big move down, but it's into this key support level right here, coming in at 26, 2650, 50 simple moving average, and these are prior lows here. You can see back from April and back to February. So these are lows that so far have held. So key levels that you want to watch here. Hope this helps. Talk to you on my next video update.